Hey everyone, welcome to Turn My Coin YouTube channel. We help you make loads of serious money by educating you about Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies so you can make informed decisions before investing in cryptos. Most of the new investors do not have knowledge about Bitcoin wallets. They buy their Bitcoins and keep them at the exchanges where they bought them from, ignorant of the fact that cryptocurrency exchanges are vulnerable to cyber attacks. In fact, even the most popular exchanges have been hacked in the past. We generally refer to online wallets for storing Bitcoins. Contradictory to popular belief, a wallet can't store Bitcoins. You read that right. Actually, a wallet stores your private key to the Bitcoin blockchain. This means, your Bitcoin wallet is only accountable for keeping your digital credentials of the Bitcoins in your possession. You can manage Bitcoins through a wallet, as the wallet only sends a request to the blockchain to execute the assignments on your command. However, as wallets store your digital credentials, mutual trust between you and the providers is crucial. Let's get to know about each of them more. But before we head forward, please like and subscribe to Turn My Coin channel to help us keep the content updated and provide you with more educational videos. Here, in this video, we have mentioned the 6 best Bitcoin wallets to help you manage Bitcoins effectively. You can find the links to these wallets in the description of this video. Let's discuss them in detail now. 1. Ledger Nano S, Best Hardware Wallet. A hardware wallet is a computer peripheral that authenticates user credentials to the blockchain. Ledger is not free as the previous alternatives are. It is a hardware-based Bitcoin wallet used via USB/Bluetooth through the mobile/desktop app. Pros of using Ledger Nano S. Very convenient to use. Uses an open-source software. It has Bluetooth connectivity. Multiple cryptocurrency support. Ledger supports over 5,500 cryptocurrencies including Bitcoin and Ethereum. 2. Trezor Best Secured Bitcoin Wallet. Trezor was the pioneer company to offer hardware wallets in cryptocurrency exchange. It resembles a small calculator with only 2 buttons and a very small OLED screen. It is available in 2 different versions named Trezor and Trezor T, with Trezor being the more affordable option. Hardware-integrated private keys and 2-step authorization makes Trezor one of the most secure hardware wallets for Bitcoin. Pros. 1. Randomly generated seed. 2. It is simple to use. 3. Trezor has more than 5,000 crypto token options, including Bitcoin. 3. Keep Key, most cost-effective. Following the takeover of Keep Key by Shapeshift in 2017. This hardware wallet has been gaining traction in the crypto market with the rock-hard design, huge display, and cost-effective price point than the former ones. While Keep Key shines in these 2 factors, it falls behind the competitors like Ledger and Trezor in terms of security, portability, and coin support. Keep Key provides a different recovery cipher with every package they ship. It holds 12 randomly generated scrambled words to help keep your wallet safe. Though it has the capability to store 40+ cryptocurrencies including Bitcoin. It can be paired with MyEther wallet to store any ERC20 cryptocurrencies. 4. Exodus, Best for Beginners. Exodus is a beginner-friendly online wallet or hot wallet for Bitcoin. It also supports other cryptocurrencies, providing ease of usage. It is available for many operating systems including Windows and Android for free. Pros of using Exodus. Free to register and use. Exodus is free to use. It is dependent on the funds generated through the exchange services API providers utilizing the wallet. Exodus also lists asset values in local currencies for you to assess the final cost. User interface. Exodus is one of the few online wallets that has such a simple user interface. It doesn't overwhelm beginners with features, functionalities, and a built-in exchange. 150+ cryptocurrency options. Exodus supports over 150 cryptocurrencies including Bitcoin. As remarkable as Bitcoin is, there are other cryptos catching up to it. It's only better to keep yourself ready for the next crypto boom. Customer support. Despite being free, Exodus is exceptional at keeping its users entertained. You wouldn't have to worry about some unsolvable technical voodoo while using Exodus. Customizable fees. Would you like to execute your transactions faster? Pay more. If not, Exodus is happy to take less for your sheer patience. You are in control of your costs with Exodus. 5. Electrum, Best for Advanced Users. Electrum is not for you if you are a beginner in the crypto world and love flashy colors with a friendly user interface. But, if you are looking for an alternative to promote yourself further in the Bitcoin market, no other online wallet is better than Electrum. Pros of using Electrum. Simple design. Multi-level security. Cloud storage. Customizable transaction fees. You can customize your transaction fees on Electrum by surrendering some of your transaction speed. Free to use. Electrum is open source. You have thousands of eyes looking at the safety of your funds and bitcoins. Being open source, Electrum is also free to use. 6. Mycelium, best for mobile users. Mycelium is a mobile-only Bitcoin wallet that has recently started supporting ETH and ERC20 tokens. It has been there for a long time and has a refreshing user interface, unlike Electrum. Pros of using Mycelium. Open source software. As the saying goes, open source is generally more secure than private software. Mycelium is not so different in terms of security than Electrum. As Mycelium source code has been out there for a long time, the community has mostly sealed up all the vulnerabilities. Customizable transaction fee. Mycelium also has the option to customize transaction fees. You can choose your transaction fee depending on the preference of the transaction pace. User interface. Mycelium's user interface is much more refreshed than Electrum, but not as user-friendly as Exodus. It has built-in exchange support, being a mobile-only Bitcoin wallet with certain limitations. No blockchain download. You don't need to download blockchain source code to get started with Mycelium. Just install the app, put in your credentials and you are good to go. Multiple device support. Mycelium supports multiple mobile devices. You can manage your funds and bitcoins through multiple devices on the go with Mycelium. For more educative videos on Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, subscribe to our channel Turn My Coin. Until next time, keep minting loads of money.